DevSecOps versus DevOps. By the names, it's easy to think that DevSecOps is simply just DevOps with the addition of security. However, this isn't the case. DevOps, short for development and operations, solely focuses on collaboration between these two integral teams in the development process. Here, these two teams work together to develop processes, KPIs and milestones to target collaboratively. In doing so, the operations team can analyze the delivery stages more closely, while assessing continual updates and feedback from the development team. DevSecOps is an iteration of DevOps in the sense that DevSecOps has taken the DevOps model and wrapped security as an additional layer to the continual development and operations process. Instead of looking at security as an afterthought, DevSecOps pulls in application security teams early to fortify the development process from a security and vulnerability mitigation perspective.